we have these really affordable no code builders now, which is great. Like anyone can go on and launch a site. But what they find is they log in there and realize that no code doesn't mean DIY for what they need. They'll take that template that a million other people have started with, try to tweak it. Once they replace some assets and copy, it all of a sudden doesn't look so good and doesn't really tell their story. It doesn't give them that feeling that they were first thinking about when they wanted to go out there and be proud of their business. So that's the thing that the creative agencies can bring to them that they can't really get from using these existing products. When we can automate that offering from the creative agency into the product, but make it as easy to use, if not easier than those no code builders, that's kind of like the magic of Morphic, where you go through that onboarding, it creates your materials, your website for you, and then you actually get that feeling like, oh wow, I'm super excited to blast this out on social media and show everyone like this is my company.